Information Technology. I am Dr. Rajesh Dharmik, Head Department of IT, YCC Nagpur. This department is running one UG program, BE in Information Technology, with the intake of 60. And this program is accredited by National Board of Accreditation for second cycle. Also, we got extension of 3 years. So our UG program, BE Information Technology, is accredited up to 2023. Again, this program has a good academic curriculum, and our department is constantly working on the improvement and overall development of students through our academic program, also through our co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Our students are constantly involved in the participation into a reputed institution like IITs, NITs, and many more institutions. Our student is a brand ambassador for ATOS Sintel. Also, 3 students got Kiran Foundation Scholarship from Persistent Systems Limited. Constantly working on the improvement of our students to move towards the successful in a placement as well as for the higher studies. As far as the placement of a student is concerned, we have a good placement record. In current academic year 2019-20, our 90% students are placed through a campus placement in a reputed multinational IT companies like TCS, Persistent Systems Limited, Infosys, Global Logic, Accenture, Capgemini, and many more companies. Our department is constantly working on, apart from the improvement of students, to organize several extracurricular activities. So we have one student forum, that is iTech Group, and also we have a professional society, that is the Computer Society of India. So under which our department is organized several technical and non-technical events for the student, as well as through which the student has to improve ourselves. In this domain, we have a consultancy of 30 lakh rupees from different funding agencies or different organizations. This is our software engineering lab. This lab is basically used for performing software engineering practicals by using rational rows software. Also, we have open source software, that is the Star UML. And again, as far as the latest technology is concerned, we have a software lab practical for the second year student, in which we are going to perform the practicals by using a Python. Right? So this lab is used for performing a practical by using Python programming language and software engineering. Laboratory, and this project laboratory is basically used to perform a mini project of our student as well as a final year project. So our final year projects are in an industry because we have a semester long internship. So this lab is basically used for a 6 semester mini project. As far as the project lab is concerned, the machines are allocated to each group of students, and student has to perform their or implement their project in this project laboratory. And apart from this project lab, also we are performing courses practical in this lab. This is our database management system lab. This lab is basically used for performing a practical of databases for the 6 semester program. Also used for to perform a practical on operating systems. And this lab is also be utilized for data structure and program design practical of second year program. Apart from this, this lab will also be utilized for the students who has their project on database systems. So they implement their project in this particular DBMS lab. Computing laboratory. In this laboratory, we have performed practicals of data structure and program design. Apart from this, also we have performed the practicals of database management systems. Then also we have operating system, and operating system course we have a practical, and this practical is also performed in a advanced computing laboratory. Urge, appeal and request to all parents and students, please attend my live webinar on scope of information technology on 1st of June 2020 at 11 AM. You can also find the same on official YouTube channel of YCCE. Also, details of foundation bridge courses will be provided during live webinar.